Hello everyone, this is your boy BeastGamer555 here, and I'm back, boys. But I'm not back for gaming reasons at all. I'm going to start a new series with server hosting and helping people out with port forwarding and stuff. There should be a video on the screen right now of another channel that you need to go check out. It's a dude I met. He is doing a series on DayZ for server hosting. Let's just get right into this. You need to open up the command console, which kind of like this, you know. And you want to type in ipconfig. It'll give you a lot of information, but you want your gateway address, which is going to be this. Also with this, I'm doing this strictly on a modem. If you do it with a router, you're gonna have to go watch Nickage video. All his stuff will be down in the description. But let's get right into this. Now, how you're gonna get your admin and password is that mine's on the bottom of my box of my internet, my modem box. So you're just gonna have to type in your information that's on the bottom there. If you do not find it, I will leave a link down in the description. A website you could try to see if your router's on there. Like you can look up your router model and everything, and it should tell you. But I'll be right back with you when I get logged in. Okay, guys. So this is what mine looks like when I'm logged in. You have all these, but I don't need these. These are like not even part of my thing. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to go to advanced. I'm going to go to port forwarding, and yours might look hella crazy. If you join my Discord and you need a little bit of help, I might not be able to help all of y'all. I had a case of where I was helping a dude on Nickage's I guess that would be how you pronounce that. Well, his name's Nick. I was helping a guy on Nick's Discord with his modem, because he has a modem too, but he doesn't. It's very weird. Like he could not get it. So you're probably gonna have to contact your ISP, or if you know someone that has the same router as you or modem, and you have to ask them how they did it. Or you could look a video up on YouTube. So for me, I'd click this. These are gonna be blurred out for you, but my computer, my name is Tanner, so my server computer's name is Tanner's_computer. Yeah. I'm gonna click on that, and then let's I have a bunch of ports, and then I'd port forward. Let's say I want to port forward a website, like I'm gonna port forward my let's just say I host a website, so I'm gonna use 80 and 80. Okay, you might have translate to or a private port, which in that case you would just put the same thing. Then we're going to go to protocol, which for this, most of your server hosting you use TCP and UDP. TeamSpeak is way different. TeamSpeak you have to use like a TCP, then a UDP, then a TCP and UDP. So then I'd do that, and then I would do all IPs for remote port and IP. And I already have this port forward because I've done this before. But yeah, guys, it's that easy. If you have any problems, you just go check out Nick's video on this, which will, like I said, be down in the description. And maybe you might have a problem on mine. On my server computer, I have to use DMZ hosting, and I have to turn it on and put my server computer outside my firewall, which I don't think you should do that. That's all on you. I have security on mine. I know how all this works. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you need any help, comment down in the comments. Just hit me up on Discord. You can join my Discord, which will be down in the description, or go watch Nick's video, which I would recommend go watch Nick's video if you actually need help, because Nick has a different way, because he has a router and I run off a modem, which we have total different ways of how we do this. When I start my DayZ series server hosting, we'll have different ways on that too, because I like to do start up my server a different way than he does his, which I also recommend. If you want to start up a DayZ server, go watch his video. Okay guys, that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, boys.